So yesterday up to which topic we have completed? Which topic? So addition and subtraction of the errors, na? Okay. So combination of the errors we have completed. So welcome guys, welcome back to Chandu Biology class. So in this session we are going to see what is units and dimension and the remaining part of the measurements and errors. Okay. So like we have seen that errors in sum and difference. So in today's class we will see what is errors in product. Okay. So suppose x is equals to AB. Yesterday we have seen that x is equals to a plus b or else x is equals to a minus b. Today the product is a b. Okay. So for this I need to find the what is the error, delta x I need to find. Okay. So x is equals to AB, I need to find delta x. Okay. So here x plus or minus delta x should be equals to a plus or minus delta a into b plus or minus delta b. Okay. So from this I can take x commonly outside. If I take x commonly outside, what will happen? 1 plus or minus delta x by x will come. Yes, no? Should be equals to, similarly a and b I will take commonly outside. A into 1 plus or minus delta a by a, b into 1 plus or minus delta b by b. Okay. So if I see here x a b is there, no? So x is equals to a b. So I can cancel it out, no? I can cancel it out. So 1 plus or minus delta x by x equals to 1 plus or minus delta a by a into 1 plus or minus delta b by b. Okay. So now I can expand this, no? 1 plus or minus delta a by a, 1 plus or minus delta b by b. If I expand this, what will happen? 1 into 1, 1, 1 into plus or minus delta b by b, plus or minus delta b by b. Okay. Similarly, delta a by a into 1, delta a by a into delta b by b, plus or minus delta a by a plus or minus delta a by a delta b by b. Okay. Should be equals to 1 plus or minus delta x by x. So in this I can cancel it out 1 on each side. Okay. And one more thing, if you note it, like if I write a is equals to 1 plus or minus 0.1, okay, and b is equals to 2 plus or minus 0.01, for example. So how can I say, like delta a by a is nothing but 0.1 by 1, delta b by b is nothing but 0.01 by 2. Okay. If I multiply both of them, the value will become smaller again. Can you say the value of these two by multiplying? 0.1 into 0.01 divided by 2.
0.001 by 2.
So how many zeros are there? 1. How many points are there? 1 and 2. So 3 decimal points. Okay. So 1 divided by 10 into 1 divided by 200. Yes, no? So 1 divided by 2000, which is nothing but 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. 0.5 divided by 1000, which is nothing but 0.10, 3 zeros, no? 3 zeros and 5. So if I see the value which is much smaller, which is very negligible value, right? So I can neglect this term. Okay, I can neglect the term. So delta x will be delta x by x should be equals to delta a by a plus or minus delta b by b, or else I can say delta x by x is equals to plus or minus delta a by a plus delta b by b. So this is the formula to find out delta x. Okay. So like initially the question will be given like x is equals to ab. Okay. I need to find the value of delta x. They have given what is a, that is 1 plus or minus 0.1, b 2 plus or minus 0.01. I need to find what is delta x. X I can find easily. X is nothing but a into b. A into b nothing but 1 into 2. But delta x is, I need to use this formula. Okay, I need to use this formula. You can take this formula if you want. Delta x by x plus or minus delta a by a plus delta b by b. Okay, this is for multiplication. Okay, if we go for division, errors in division. So x is equals to a by b. Okay, now delta, x plus or minus delta x should be equals to a plus or minus delta a by b plus or minus delta b. Okay, so same process, I am taking x commonly outside. 1 plus or minus delta x is equals to a into 1 plus or minus, this x will come, no, delta a by a divided by b into 1 plus or minus delta b by b. Okay, similarly x and a by b will get cancelled out. That is the equation we have given, they have given, no. So what will happen? 1 plus or minus delta x by x should be equals to 1 plus or minus delta a by a power, it will go into the numerator, 1 plus or minus delta b by b power minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So again if I expand similarly, I will get the same formula only, that is delta x by x should be equals to delta a by a plus delta b by b. It's plus or minus, that's it. So for addition and subtraction, I can do directly. For multiplication and division, I need to use the formula. Okay, suppose if power is given, no, x is equals to a power n b power m. Okay, if powers can be negative or positive, whatever it is, but the formula is same. Delta x by x should be equals to n into delta a by a plus or minus m into delta b by b. This is for powers. Okay, the same formula, multiplication what we have seen, delta x by x is equals to delta a by a plus or minus delta b by b. But for powers, I need to multiply the power in front of delta a by a and delta b by b. You can take down. Completed. Yeah. So there is a question. The mass and density of a solid sphere are measured to be 12.4 plus or minus 0.1 and 4.6 plus or minus 0.2. Calculate the volume of the sphere. How can I find?
Density, use formula for density. Density is equals to mass by volume.
Density equals to mass by volume. They have given mass and density, no? So volume will be equals to mass by density. So what will be the formula for this? Delta V by V should be equals to yes, no? Delta V by V should be equals to delta M by M plus or minus delta rho by rho. Yes, no? So if power is there, I can add the powers. So power is not there, no? So I can write directly. Delta M is? This is for mass, no? So 0.1 divided by 12.4 plus or minus 0.2 divided by 4.6. So delta V is, I need to find out what is the value of V. V will be equals to m by rho, no? So m is 12.4, 12.4 and rho is 4.6. So 124 by 46. Okay, so keep as it is. So I can multiply V this side, no? The value will be 124 by 46. Yes, no? Now what I can do here? So this is plus or minus 0.1 into 4.6 plus 0.2 into 12.4 divided by 12.4 into 4.6. Okay, that's cross multiplied into this is 12.4 by 4.6 only, no, the same thing. So if I see here 12.4 and 12.4 can be cancelled out, right? So plus or minus. So this one, what is the answer? 4.6 and 0.1. 0. Okay, and 0.2 into 12.4. So multiply by 10, divide by 10. So you will get 1 into 4.6, 2 into 124, divide by 46, right? Multiply and divide by 10, no? So what will be the answer? 46 plus 124 into 2, 250, so 248, no? 248 divided by 46 into 1 by 46. 1 by 46, 4.6. That's the answer, no? So if I calculate this one, I'll get the value of delta V. Okay, I'll get the value of delta V. Now I need to express volume in terms of V plus or minus delta V, right? V I got like mass by density. Similarly, delta V also I got. So I can express in terms of V plus or minus delta V. Okay, so I'll give one more problem, you can try that one. So calculate the percentage error in determination of time period of pendulum. Can you give the answer for this question? T is equals to 2 pi root over L by G. Okay, so how can I express this one? T is equals to 2 pi is constant, no need to disturb those things. So root, no, L by G power 1 by 2 I can write. So L power 1 by 2, G power 1 by 2, which is nothing but L power 1 by 2, G power minus 1 by 2. So delta T by T will be equals to 1 by 2 delta L by L plus or minus 1 by 2 delta G by G. That's it, no? So the given values I can substitute there. So 1% and 2%. So I can substitute directly 1 by 2 into 1 plus or minus 1 by 2 into 2. So which is nothing but 1 by 2 plus or minus 2 by 2. So equals to 3 by 2. So nothing but plus or minus 1.5%. Understood? Any doubt? So they are asking about the percentage, no? Percentage in the sense delta T by T. I can write directly. Okay, that's the thing they are asking. Any doubt? So next is units and dimensions. Okay, so we'll see first what is physical quantity. So physical quantity is a quantity weight that can be measured and expressed as a number along with unit. So if I measure any object, I'll write some number, that is scalar, we'll say, right? Any number means scalar. If they mention direction, it is a vector quantity. Okay, so I have measured an object, I got some number, but I don't know the unit. If I measure, like say the unit, those are said as physical quantities. Like if I take an object, if I measure this object, that is 10 meter. Okay, 10 meter. So I can say that object is a physical quantity. So whichever we can measure and expressed in terms of number along with units, those are called as physical quantity. So there are types of physical quantity. First one is fundamental, second one is derived. Fundamental means there is no derivation from any other, but derived, like if we take a scale, if I measure, I can measure by saying centimeter, meter or kilometer. But if I talk about velocity, what is velocity? Displacement by time. So displacement is measured by length, time is measured by seconds. So 2 units are there, right? So velocity depends on 2 units, but when I measure a scale, it depends on only 1 unit. When a single units are there, those are fundamental units. When I take more than 2 units, it is derived quantity, we will say. Okay. So these quantities that are independent and cannot be derived from the other quantities. Example, length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance and luminous intensity. Okay. So derived quantity, these are quantities derived from the fundamental quantities. So from this I am deriving the quantities. Okay. Example, velocity. So displacement by time, no. So length by seconds. Okay. Next is use of physical quantities. Like we have seen, like meters, kilogram, everything, no. Those things can be measured as m, kg and time is seconds. And yeah, if we talk about the force, no. What is force? Mass into acceleration. Mass can be written as kg. Acceleration is change in velocity with respect to time. So velocity is meter per second, right? So final formula will be kg meter per second square. This is the thing for force, okay, which is nothing but Newton, will say, no. Force is Newton. So 1 Newton is equals to 1 kg 1 meter per second square. Okay. So there are 7 fundamental quantities. So one is length, second one is time, third one is mass, electric current, thermodynamic temperature. So temperature always measured in Kelvin, and then amount of substance, luminous intensity. Okay. So fundamental quantities also called as SI units. Okay. So whatever the units we are studying in physics, no, meter per second, kilogram, meter per second square, everything are SI units. Okay. So there are 3 types of units. Okay. One is CGS units. CGS is nothing but C is centimeter, G is gram, S is seconds. Second one is MKS. Okay. Meter, kilogram, second. So this MK is only said as SI unit. Okay. We will measure everything in meter, kilogram and seconds. Okay. If I want to convert centimeter, gram and seconds, I can convert it. Like for example, kilogram meter per second square, no. This is 1 unit, we will say, for force. If I want to convert, how can I convert? 1 kg equals to 1000 CJs I need to convert. Convert 1 kilogram meter per second square, that is SI unit. SI unit or MKS unit into CGS. I need to convert it. 1 kilogram, 1000 grams. 1000 grams. 1 meter, 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Seconds as it is. Okay. Second square. So how can I say? 10 power 5 gram centimeter per second square. So 1 Newton is equals to 10 power 5 gram centimeter per second square, or else 1 kg meter per second square. Okay. Any doubt here? Conversions. So conversions I can do easily, no. So 1 kg equals to 1000 grams, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter seconds as it is. Okay. So 2 units, that is CGS, one is MKS. Yeah. Next one is dimensions of physical quantities. So dimension is nothing but, like we have studied about length, no. Length is nothing but denoted by letter L in the close bracket. First thing, dimensions of a physical quantity is express its relation with fundamental quantities. Okay. Whatever the fundamental quantities we have seen, no, the 7 fundamental quantities, those things are expressed in terms of dimensional analysis. Okay, which is in the square bracket. So whatever we see in the square bracket in physics, those are dimensional formulas. Okay. So length L, mass capital M, time t. So if I express velocity, no, velocity equals to meter per second, right? So meter is length, no, length is L, seconds is time, no, divide by capital T. So dimensional formula for velocity is L t power minus 1. Okay, L t power minus 1. Similarly, if I want to express force, pressure and then acceleration, can you give answer for this dimensional formula?
Force is equals to mass of acceleration.
Mass into acceleration.
Which is mass is m.
Mass is M, capital M, no?
Yes, sir.
Capital M. Acceleration is meter per second, no? So meter in the sense L,
Per second is t power minus.
t power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for
Force.
force. So ml t power minus 2. Pressure,
Pressure is equals to force by area.
force by area.
Force
Force
we have
is we have, that is
m
ml t power minus 2. Area is
is L
L square, which is nothing but
square. M power minus
ml power minus 1 t power minus 2. What about acceleration? Meter per second square, no? So L t power minus 2. Any doubt? So any any units can be measured as a dimensional formula by m, L, t. Okay. Yeah. So length symbol is L, unit is meter. So dimensional formula is L. Mass is m, SI unit is kg. So there is a difference between symbol and SI unit. Okay. Don't confuse between these both of them. Okay. So time is t, SI unit is seconds, dimensional formula is t. So velocity v meter per second, lt power minus 1, acceleration a meter per second square, lt power minus 2, force Newton is the SI unit, F is the symbol, ml t power minus 2, pressure ml power 1, ml power minus 1 t power minus 2, energy is ml square t power minus 2. How we can find energy? How we can find energy dimensional formula? So we can use the formula, no, of mv square, kinetic energy, mgh, potential energy, work done also energy, right? So work done is nothing but equals to energy, force into displacement. What is force?
ml
ml t power minus 2, displacement is L. So what will be the answer?
ml square
ml square
t power minus
t power minus 2. Can you give the answer for these two?
mass
Mass is
m, sir.
m, L t power minus 1 whole square, no? So what will happen? M L square t power minus 2 will come. M mass, G is acceleration, no?
Acceleration.
Meter per second square, right? L t power minus 2, H is L, which is nothing but ml square t power minus 2. Am I getting the same answer, no? So energy can be written as kinetic energy, potential energy or work done, anything. Okay. So can you give the answer for the questions? Dimensional formula in it.
ml cube, sir.
ml cube, density, mass by volume, m L power minus 3.
L power n, sir.
Okay. Next one, velocity, m L power L t power minus 1,
and then
acceleration
acceleration
L t power minus 2, momentum, no, mass into velocity. Okay. Next is force, mass into velocity is
ml
ml t
t power
power minus 1, force
ml t power minus 2. Force is equals to mass of acceleration.
mm,
ml t power minus 2.
ml t power
Minus 2.
ml t power minus 2, work and energy we have seen ml square t power minus 2, power work done by time. Okay, work done by time in the sense ml square t power minus 2 divide by minus, divide by T will come. What will come? ml square minus 3. What is pressure? Force by area. ml power minus 1, T power minus 2. Okay. Any doubts? So use of dimensions. So conversions of units to check the dimensional of a given physical equation to establish the relation among the various physical quantities. So there are 3 uses. Okay, 3 uses of dimensions. I can convert the unit from one to another. That's what we have seen. MKS to CGS units. MKS unit, meter, kilogram, second to centimeter, gram, second. MKS to CGS. That's the first use to check the dimensional of given physical equations. Okay, we'll see the example for that. Yeah. The velocity v of a particle depends upon the time t according to the equation. Okay, v is equals to a plus bt plus c by d plus t. Write the dimensions of a, b, c, d. Okay, what is the meaning of equal? LHS should be equals to RHS, right? So if I talk about v, a, b, t, no, v should be equals to a, v should be equals to bt, v should be equals to c by d plus t. Okay, so if I get value of a, like dimensions of a, bt and c by d plus t, everything if I add, I should get v. Okay, like how much? No, if I take a as meter per second, b as like v is equals to meter per second. No, so what about a? It also meter per second only. Okay, similarly for v, meter per second is equals to b into second. Time is seconds. No, what will be the answer? B is equals to meter per second square. Okay, similarly I can find for c by dt. Okay, so here no, the meter per second square, if I multiply here meter per second square into second, I will get meter per second. So meter per second, meter per second, meter per second, 3 meter per second I will get. So constant, no use of that. Okay, I need only the dimensions, like SI unit I need. So both side SI unit should be same. Okay, any doubts here? So if equation is there, I should equate it. So one side of the equation I know, that is meter per second, other side I don't know. Okay, t is time, okay, and the remaining variables are constant. Okay, any doubt here? So to establish the relation among the various physical quantities, so every physical equation should be dimensionally balanced. That's what we have seen. So left hand side should be equals to right hand side. Okay. Yeah. This is the thing. So suppose a frequency of stretched string depends upon the tension F, length L and mass per unit length. Mu is nothing but mass per unit length, they have said, of the string. Derive the formula for the frequency. Like they have said that frequency is depends on force, length and mu. Okay, I don't know how to derive the formula, but I can say that left hand side should be equal to right hand side. No. Now what I can do here is F is directly proportional to F power A, L power B, mu power C. Okay. F is nothing but frequency. No, frequency means 1 by time period. 1 by time period. So 1 by T I will write. Should be equals to. So if I remove the proportionality, some constants I should add. I will add the constant as C. So F is nothing but ML. Dimensional formula I need to get it. Okay, if I write the dimensional formula, I can say the formula easily. Okay, what is the dimensional formula for F? ML T power minus 2 power A. Similarly for L, L power B. What is mu? What they said? Unit, mass per unit length. No, mass per unit length in the sense M L power minus 1 C. Okay, this one how can I write? T power minus 1, no, should be equals to,
It should be equal to t power minus 1.
should be equals to everything. Okay, so m power a, l power a, t power minus 2a, l power b, m power c, l power minus c, right? No, now what I can do here is, here m power 0, l power 0, t power minus 1 should be equals to, m is 2 m are there, so base are same, I can add the powers, m power a plus c, that's what we have seen in the exponents and components, no? L power a plus b minus c, t power minus 2a, is there anything? That's it, no? Now equate it, m, l, c, t. So m power 0, 0 equals to a plus c, l power 0, 0 equals to a plus b minus c, t power minus 1, no? Minus 1 equals to minus 2a, understood, no? Now we can find the unknowns now easily. So what is a? A will be equals to 1 by 2. Take a, substitute here, c will be equals to minus 1 by 2. Take a and c, substitute here, 0 equals to 1 by 2 plus b minus 1 by 2. Minus of minus 1 by 2, no? So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus b, which is nothing but 1 plus b. B will be equals to minus 1. So I got the value of a, b, c. Okay. Now what we have done, f is directly proportional to f power a, t, l power b, mu power c. Now we got the values. No, what is the value of a, b, c? 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. I will write here f power 1 by 2, l power minus 1, that's it. B minus 1, c is, mu power minus 1 by 2, understood, no? So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, no? So I can take to denominator. So f is directly proportional to f by l, mu, no? F by mu under root of, right, no? This is 1 by l. Okay. So frequency is equals to some constant c, some constant c is there. I removed proportionality, added equal c by l, length, root over f by mu. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, if they are asking what is the formula for frequency by using force, length and mu, okay, this is how I can find it. Any doubt here? So nothing but I need to, I need to directly proportional to, I should take the direction proportional to f, l, mu. Okay, then write the dimensional formula. So after writing the dimensional formula, I need to equate it, right hand side, left hand side. So power I need to equate it. I will get the value of the powers. So substitute the value of the power here, you will get the formula. Any doubt? Okay. So the method of dimension has the following limitations. So there are some limitations. Okay. So cannot calculate constant values like 1 by 2 pi, like constant is there, I cannot find. Okay. The previous case also we got, no, like c is the constant. For constant we gone to anything. Constant is number, no. So number will not have any meter, length, anything it doesn't have. Okay. So I can't find anything. So can't be used for complex equation. It doesn't work for equation with the trigonometric, exponential or logarithm functions. Okay. Next is only work for multiplication or division. Addition and subtraction it won't work. Okay. So only work for multiplication and division. Okay. Yeah, I'll give some example here. You can take this example. Find the dimensional formula for coefficient of viscosity mu, charge q, potential V, capacitance C and resistance R. This is the homework question. Yeah, tell me. Okay. This is the homework question, you can take down and give answer in the comment box, we will check it. Okay. So this is one of the question. I will give some more questions. Okay. You can take the screenshot of this question. We'll go for the next question. The next question is, write the dimension of A and B in the relation. I'll zoom it out. Okay. Relation P is equals to B minus x square by AT. I need to find x. Okay. I need to find what is B and A. X is nothing but distance, T is nothing but time, P is nothing but power. Okay. These are the values given and A and B are constant here. So this is example 2. You need to cover example 1, example 2 and give answer in the comment box. We will check it. We will check the answers. So the example 3 is, yeah, the last question we have done now. Like a centripetal force acting on a particle moving uniformly in a circle may depends upon mass. Yeah. See, similarly, like what they are saying, force is directly proportional to, depends upon mass, velocity and radius. So m power A, V power B, R power C. So derive the formula for F using the method of dimensions. So I need to find the formula. So this is one of the example, that is homework. Okay. So totally 3 questions I gave for the homework. Please try to complete it and give answer in the comment boxes. We will check it out. Okay. So up to now we have completed the basic mathematics, measurements and errors and units and dimensions. So next class we will see what is kinematics. Okay. So until then, bye bye guys. We will see you in next class.